All right, this is part 2 of section 2.3. Now we're solving for a specific variable. So the formula is written so that one variable is isolated on one side of the equation and everything else is on the other side of the equation. So if we're trying to solve P equals 2L plus 2W for W, then what we're going to do is P is equal to 2L plus 2W. So I'm going to subtract the 2L from both sides. Now I can't combine the P and the L. They're different variables. They're not like terms here. And then I'm going to divide by 2. So W is equal to P minus 2L all over 2. Or you could write it as 1/2 times P minus 2L. Okay, V equals 3K divided by T. We're trying to solve for T. First thing I would do is multiply both sides by T. So I've got T times V is equal to 3K. And then I'm going to divide both sides by V. So T equals 3K divided by V. And that's your answer right there. Okay, A equals 1/2 H times B sub 1 plus B sub 2. We're trying to solve for B sub 1. So A equals 1/2 H B sub 1 plus B sub 2. And we're trying to solve for B sub 1. So I would go ahead and multiply both sides by 2, the reciprocal of 1/2. So we would get 2A equals H B1 plus B2. Divide both sides by H. So 2A over H is equal to B sub 1 plus B sub 2. And then subtract B sub 2 from both sides. So we would have B sub 1 is equal to 2A over H minus B sub 2.